The Vermicular frying pan's enamel coating makes cleaning stress-free as it easily releases food. Let's go through our cleaning tips for each level of food residues. There's no need to wait for the pan to cool. You can wash it right away with some dish soap and a soft sponge. You don't want to use too much force or use an abrasive like this green scouring pad. It could damage the enamel coating on the pan. If you're not washing the pan right away, just soak it in water. It'll help with the cleaning later. If you have stubborn, burnt food stuck to the pan, fill the pan with 2 cups of water and sprinkle a tablespoon of baking soda all over the burnt food. Then boil it for 15 minutes, cool it down, and the food will come right off with soap and a soft sponge. If the pan has stubborn built-up food stains or oil stains, fill the pan with 2 cups of water, add a tablespoon of baking soda, vinegar, and mild dish soap. And then boil it for 15 minutes while occasionally scraping with a wooden spatula. And the rest is the same. Cool it down and use a soft sponge to scrub. Wipe off wet spots with a dry cloth immediately after washing. You can always reference the booklet included with your frying pan. That's it! Happy cooking!